Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 4x to the power of 3. This one we have 2x and the next one we have number 8. So because we have this one, that means we need to divide both sides by number 4. Next, this one we change by u. This one with the x we change by the u over number 4. Now we have the formula in here. So I will put number 9 go in here. So 9 plus 1 we have number 10. So this one we have 1 over 40. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.